This is the geometry mini lecture for the packets 11.1.1 to 11.1.5. I'm going to just maybe do a problem or two, show you how. So surface area, we did some things in class with some nets. Basically, I want the surface area and the volume of this pyramid. So it's made out of 4 triangles, and the triangles are all congruent. It says it's a square-based pyramid, so that's 7. That means this is also 7 because it's square. So I would just find the area at the bottom, and then the triangles, and add them up. So that's what I'm going to do. So the bottom is a square, so it's 7 times 7, so that's going to be 49. And then the triangles, a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Now that's going to be a little interesting. So times base times height. Okay, so if you look in the picture in your book, this height right here, on the inside of it, that's on the inside going from the middle of the floor, like if it was a tent, all the way up to the top. So we need the slant height to get the area of the triangle. So the slant height. So we can imagine that there's a little triangle. This goes to the top. I don't know if that looks like, does that look like it's on the inside? It's supposed to look like it's a little triangle on the inside. And this leg right here would be 1/2 of 7, so it'd be 3.5. I guess I'll write it, where should I write it? Down here. 3.5. And then this is 9. So I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem. 3.5 squared plus 9 squared equals the slant height squared. Okay, C is going to give me actually my actual height of my triangle. So 3.5 squared, I don't know what that is. 3.5. That's about 12.25. 9 times 9, that's 81. So 12.25 plus 81. This turns into about 93.25. I'm going to square root both sides. So C is going to equal about 9.66. So that's going to actually be this. Okay, and then the bottom was 7. So remember, we're going to find the triangle 1/2 times base times height. So the bottom was 7. The height's 9.66. I'm going to leave that. I rounded. I'm going to leave it in my calculator since I have it still. And I'm going to times that by 1/2 of 7 is 3.5. So that, and then times 4, so that, and then plus 49 is that. So this turns out to be that number. Let's see how your answer key says it. So if I push this button, it gives me the decimal. So the decimal approximation is what they have in your answer key, right there. So just use the decimal approximation. So that part's done. I'll say that's about 184.19. That's surface area. And then what kind of units did I have? I think they were they centimeters? They were centimeters. Square centimeters. Okay, so that's the surface area. Volume, I have a formula for it, and it's 1/2 times the base area. Well, the base area was 49, because we just figured out the area of that square. And then the height was 9, so that's going to be easy. So that's going to equal, I don't know, let's see. I got about 220.5. So that's equal to 220.5 centimeters cubed. I'm recording. And let's check that with the answer. Oh, I wrote 1/2. It's 1/3. So let's try that again. Okay, they got 147, so it's 147. Do you need something? Okay. Centimeters cubed. There we go. Okay, so this is the volume, and that's the surface area. And I'm going to probably make another video, because the class is starting to come in, so I'll make another video on this, maybe showing a different kind of problem.